Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower Dishrack stud and roller assembly in a GE dishwasher. This is going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower Dishrack stud and roller assembly. There are 4 stud and roller assemblies on the lower dish rack. They support the dish rack and allow it to roll in and out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it breaks off, jamming the dish rack. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Next, we're going to pull out the lower dish rack. And then we're going to pull out the silverware basket. And now we can take out the lower dish rack. Let's place the lower dish rack on the table. And this is the broken wheel that comes off easily. Now we need to remove the broken piece. I'm going to use the large pliers. We need to take it off. This is the old lower dish rack stud and roller assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to install the new lower dish rack stud and roller assembly onto the dish rack. So with this groove facing down, we're going to place it on the wire and we're going to push it in until it snaps. And now we can install it in the dishwasher. Let's place the lower dish rack on the door. And we're going to install the silverware basket and roll that dish rack in. Now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.